We are fixing the common issue where a newly saved contact is not showing up in your WhatsApp list, so let us get this resolved right away. Go ahead and unlock your Android device and open up the WhatsApp application. Once you are on the main chat screen, take a look at the bottom right corner. You are going to tap on the green message icon or the floating plus icon down there. Tapping this button brings up your entire address book inside the app, which is where all your saved contacts live. Now, if you just added a new phone number to your device contacts app a few seconds ago, WhatsApp might not automatically fetch it immediately. To force the app to sync with your system address book, look up at the top right corner of the screen where you will see 3 vertical dots. Tap on those 3 dots to open up the small drop-down menu. Inside this menu, you will see a few options, and right near the top, there is one that explicitly says Refresh. Tap on that Refresh button. You will notice a brief loading circle appear near the top of the screen while WhatsApp actively scans your phone for any updated or newly created contacts. The important thing to understand here is that this process relies entirely on your phone system permissions and your network connection. If your phone internet is slow, the sync might take a couple extra seconds to process. Now, there is a trade-off to keep in mind when relying on this feature. Refreshing your contacts forces WhatsApp to re-index your entire address book, which successfully pulls in any new numbers. But it also means anyone who has deleted their WhatsApp account or blocked your number will simultaneously disappear from this viewable list. Additionally, if the person you added has not actually registered their phone number with WhatsApp yet, refreshing this list will not magically make them appear in your active chats. Instead, they will remain at the very bottom under the invite section. But as long as the other person has an active account registered under that exact phone number, tapping that refresh button will instantly sync them to the top of your contacts list so you can start messaging right away. You can now back out of the menu, scroll through your updated list, or use the search icon at the top to find your contact immediately. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.